Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to Buell's Kitchen. Today I'm just gonna show you a healthy recipe. This is a black urud dal curry, and it'll be very healthy, and it'll go well with chapati or naan or steamed white rice. So I just thought maybe I can show you, and it is very simple. In North India they make this a lot, and I don't think in South India it's very popular. But then it's very healthy, so just thinking about our health, so it is best to make something like this. So during this lockdown time, everybody will be at home, so you can do this. So I just show you what to do and how to make it. Now friends, the first thing what you need is the urud dal. So you can get it in any Asian shop. It's very nutritious, very healthy. So this black urud dal, you need to wash it and soak it overnight. And what I have did is I have just put it on the cooker and put little bit of salt and leave it for 2 to 3 whistles and mash it like this and keep it ready. And the next thing what you need is onion. So here I have taken white onions, about 3 medium size. So that is been chopped and kept it ready. And this is tomatoes, and I have taken 4 medium sized tomatoes and I've chopped it and I kept it ready. Here some coriander leaves, some green chilies, some chili powder and turmeric powder, and some garam masala, and some coriander powder and salt, and also some ginger garlic paste. Here the ginger garlic paste is green because I've put some mint and coriander, so that's why it looks green. So come on, let's make it. Now friends, the pan is hot now, so just take a pan like this or whichever vessel is at home, just use it. So just take like this and put some oil. Here I'm using some sunflower oil, and so use it about 4 tablespoons. I don't have cumin seeds friends, but if you have it you can use it. Cumin seeds are very good here. So what I'm going to do now is just put the onion first. Just fry it nicely until it becomes translucent. So if you want to add a little bit of salt for the onion to cook faster, just add about half a teaspoon of salt. Now friends, as you can see, the onion is getting cooked now. Just cook the onion until it becomes translucent. Now friends, as you can see, the onion become translucent. So next thing is the ginger and garlic paste. So I'm just gonna put that. Add some green chilies. Add the chili powder and the turmeric. And the coriander and the salt. And the last thing is the garam masala. That's it. Just fry this for 3 to 4 minutes. You will get that nice aroma when it's fried in the oil. It's a very simple curry friends, and it's very healthy. So please give it a try. And next thing is what we're gonna put is the tomatoes. Because we already cooked the urud dal, so let all this green masalas, let the raw smell goes. So you cook it like that and just cover it and leave it for a few minutes, and I'll show you friends. Now friends, as you can see, the tomatoes are well combined here, well mashed. Now you can add your dal mixture, which is ready now. So just pour it in. So give it a good mix. It's almost ready now. So in the cold weather, in this winter time, if you eat this healthy food, it's good for you all. So try this recipe, friends, and it will come out very nice. It's very good for health. So now it's a tasting time, so we're just gonna taste the salt now. Just take a spoon and just taste it a little bit. It's perfectly alright, friends. Spice is a little bit tough because I have just used the green chilies, but if you want to reduce a little bit of chili powder, you can use it according to your taste. So the final thing what we're going to put is, we're going to garnish it with coriander. There you are. That's your black gram urud dal curry. Very healthy and very simple and very easy to make. So as I said, you can eat with steamed white rice or chapati or naan. It will be very, very good combination. So that's it, friends. It's ready now. So I'm just going to put it on a plate and I'm going to show you, friends.